All right, social media, I need your help. We've got a client who drove in today. He's got an E Cabriolet, right? I love the E Cab. That's a classic Mercedes convertible. And he is looking at both the CLE53 AMG and an M4. Well, he's got to go home. He wants to talk it over with his sons to make a decision. And I don't know how old they are, but I know BMW is hot right now. Everybody's loving the BMW M4. But the BMW M4 would be a big departure from the E-Cab, so stay tuned. You're going to see what we did today. Angela and I worked on this deal, and sounds like the pricing is where he wants it to be. Let me show you the CLE Cabriolet that he's looking at, because I think he picked a really good one. So this is just off the truck. This is Moonlight White Metallic, and this one is a stunner. It's got the 20-inch Y-spoke wheels. It's got a black top with a black and red interior. It's got the extended night pack on it. You can see the black spoiler there. This one is hot. Not sure what variant of M4 he's looking at. This one hasn't even been unwrapped yet. But you can see it's got the black and red interior. Carbon fiber, red stitching all throughout. This one is a looker for sure. So we've got to convince him that the CLE53 AMG is the way to go. Now I need all your help, all right? You can't all abandon ship and tell him to get the M4. The CLE53 is going to be that blend of sport and luxury that is going to be the perfect balance. So help me out. Let's get this guy a new CLE53.
I have a really nice 2019 E450 Cabriolet outside.
Oh.
It has 6,000 miles on it. Looking for a CLE cab. He came in.
Did you say 6,000 miles?
6,600. Yep.
Iridium silver? Or is that diamond silver?
It's called diamond silver.
Diamond silver. Get out of here.
It's got pretty much every option for AccuTrade. Tires look good. He came in 100% certain that he wanted Patagonia red. Then he saw the Patagonia red outside, and he's like, we're not doing Patagonia red, so we have to find another color.
He doesn't like it?
Nope.
Why not?
He said it's not as cherry red as he thought it was going to be. So.
Well, it depends on what kind of cherry you're talking about.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, let's go look at this car.
Okay.
6,600 miles on an E-Cab is barely getting started. All right. So diamond silver metallic, super rare color. Yeah, it looks really, I mean, they got it all cleaned up. It looks good. 6,700 miles.
A couple of the tires are at like 7s, but I mean, they're 7s and 8s.
It's got the Sen wood on the black interior. You don't see that super commonly. No digital display. Service is due 6637, very low miles. Super clean, 100%. So interestingly, I mean, this is such a challenging one because there's 186 of them in the country for sale, but the median odometer is 50,000, and the median price is 32,881. So it's a little scary when AccuTrade spits out a number of 36,150. Which is $3,400, $3,300 higher than basically the average listing price. Obviously the miles are ridiculously low. How much more valuable is it really, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's about as perfect as can be. It's got driver assist, it's got 19-inch wheels, AMG line, all-wheel drive, obviously, park assist. It's even got heads-up display. I would classify it as probably light blue versus silver just because it is kind of that unique color. So we're at 36,450, but I'm having AccuTrade look at it just to be sure.
Okay.
Make sure they don't make any adjustments.
All right, so what happened with that guy, the E-Cab guy?
It was an 8 on a scale of 1 to 10. I said, okay, what gets you, from an 8 to a 10? He goes, I'm just really torn. Like I like.
Oh, here he is. He is 8 on a scale of 1 to 10.
I said, what gets you from 8 to a 10? He's like, you guys were great on price. You made it super easy. It's just I love the M4 and this one. He's like, I don't know if I'm ready to make the switch to BMW yet or not. He's like, I just want to talk it over with my sons and give you a call Monday. So
So the Suns are the ones that
Switching them
come
to-
into play, yeah.
Yeah,
So
switching
they're
them
probably
to-
pushing for an M4. It would be it'd be an interesting jump to go from a 2019 or from an E450 cab, especially in diamond silver, which is like the whole vibe of that car is very luxurious. So to go to an M4 would be a pretty big switch up.
Yeah.
So, I mean, obviously they're great cars,
Right.
and the M4 itself is going to be more powerful and sporty than this, but I don't know.
He loved the wheels on that white one. He's like, I love the moonlight white paint. He came in 100% certain on red, and then yeah.
So where is that car? Is it nearby?
Yeah, it's
right.
it's still wrapped up.
Is it okay? All right, so let's go look around that car. I'll get this video out today.
Oh, okay, this will
tonight,
be funny.
and then we'll send it to him. Let us know what you and your sons
Oh, this
decide.
will be good. This will be
Right?
good. Wait, okay, all right.